Hi everyone, it's Christine Jossie from Mail Something Pretty, and today I wanted to show you an alternate idea with a paper pumpkin kit that came in January, and it's a Valentine kit, and it's super cute. Let me show you the original kit, and then I made it. I didn't really need Valentine's. My daughter is in high school, my son in college, and so it's kind of sad I don't make little Valentine treats for the kids anymore. But the paper pumpkin kit that comes, everything you need for paper pumpkin comes in the kit. And so this particular one made 24 of these little pillbox Valentines. And just so you know, like the directions come on the inside, and then it also has videos that get emailed to you. So if you don't want to read the directions, it's like a 3-minute video that shows you how to put the kit together. You also get other ideas of what to make. But each month, Paper Pumpkin, if you get it, it comes to your mailbox, and you get inks, you get stamps, you get all the papers you need and directions for the project. So this one has like all the cute little Valentine things. It has these, and I took the box apart, the pillow box bases for 24 of them. It also comes with glue dots and dimensionals and little labels and what else? All that little stuff. So it's a great thing. Every month you get a project that arrives, and you can follow the project as is, or you can kind of create your own. So I decided this month to kind of create my own with the materials that they had. So I made these really nice little pillow boxes for birthdays. And they're big enough that a gift card can fit inside, or you can put little candy inside, or a coupon, or whatever. But I'm just going to show you quickly what I did. So I took, this was the pillow box template, and I cut out with my stitch thinlits. I used the oval shape, and I already cut it out, but just to show you, with the big shot. And then I'm left over with a little tag that I'll save and use for a later date. And the pillow box already comes pre-scored for you. So let me make these. I'm looking for the window sheet, which is invisible. I cut out a piece of window sheet just to line because I made the circle, we need to kind of close it back up a little bit. And I'm going to use glue dots just to put that in there. I'll just put one in each corner and just cover that up. Okay, and then I'm just looking because I think I left what I needed over there, and I'm connected. Seeing if I can improvise. Okay, so I need to close. You know what? For the sake of the video, I would use. It actually came with some strip, or I would use tear and tape. But it's it's like 10 feet away, and I'm attached to a microphone. So for the sake of video, I'm just going to use snail. But I will go back later and put tear and tape because it's a much stronger hold. That will hold enough for the video, but again, I wanted to, because I'm going to put stuff in there. So I closed that, and then it's funny, I was thinking I liked they had little notches. I thought the notches would go on the outside, but then someone pointed out to me, no, you need to put the notches on the inside because then it's easier to open up when it's closed. So if that was the case, I would have put my circle on that side, because I want these pieces to go over. I don't want you to see those on the front. I hope that makes sense. So anyways, put your circle on either side. And then I used, I had some twine, and I think it's Pool Party in white and silver together. It's really pretty. And I wrapped it around, and this is in the annual catalog. I just wrapped it around twice. I'm going to make it extra long because I will have to untie it to put whatever goodies I'm going to put in there. But I just wanted to show you. So I'm going to make it a little extra long, and then you trim it to fit. Okay, and then I'm going to use, I used this Happy Birthday Gorgeous stamp set, which I really like for birthdays. It has great words, lots of them, and balloons, and the balloons match up to the balloon punch. Actually, I think I already put this on a block, which I did. Yep. Okay, so I'm going to use It's Your Day. These ones say Make a Wish. Party Time would fit. I Love You would fit. Happy Birthday wouldn't quite fit on the label I did, but you can certainly just change it up a little bit if you wanted to say Happy Birthday on there. And I just have these scrap pieces of paper. I think are 3/4 inch, but I will look it up and write it down. Stamp that in gorgeous, well, that's a little crooked. I have two, so let's do another one. Gorgeous Grape, which is a really fun purple. That's better. Okay, and I'm just going to use my scissors to make a little, I'm going to trim that a little bit, a little notch. So I'm just going to cut up the middle and then go from corner to middle and corner to middle. And it's not quite as perfect as if I used a punch, but it's pretty close. It works better than if you just start from the sides first. And then I'm going to trim that because I didn't really measure it. That will work. And then how I did the cute little cupcakes, that's actually from the How Sweet It Is designer series paper. So I just cut them out and I cut the lollipops and the little candies, but I just want to show you this paper because it's really fun. Little gummy bears, stripes and polka dots, more stripes, gumball machine, more candy jars. And so you can, like I did, cut them out with scissors, or there's framelits that match this and the stamp set that kind of has that same little candy shop feel. It's really fun. So it's called How Sweet It Is. But for the video, you don't need to watch me cut. I already cut some pieces here. So what I'm going to do is use my dimensionals. Put that on like that. Oops. And then, yeah, there we go. Actually, I'm just going to use snail. I was going to use glue dots, which I will use. Can't see, the sunlight's coming in, I can't see. There we go. And I'll use little glue dot on the lollipop. Stick. It's hard because it's like this curved surface, so it's a little hard to get them to stick. And a little piece of candy. And then in the, I know I just had it here, in the paper pumpkin kit, there were little, oh, there they are. Little heart decals here that already have the stickiness on them. So I'm going to use those so I don't stab myself. There we go, there's one. And I'll just stick that on, I'll stick it on the candy on this one. Here we go. So it's a cute little pillow box that you can put a gift card or chocolates or gummy bears or whatever for a little birthday treat, just to make it fun. Again, if you didn't need 24 Valentines, so you can kind of turn them into something else that you can use. So I will post information and pictures of these projects on my website, as well as information on Paper Pumpkin, because I really think it's a great kit to get in the mail for really almost any age. They're great projects. A lot of them are cards, but you have once in a while you get a little 3D project like these, and it's a lot of fun, and it's only $20 a month, and you get everything you need, like adhesive, stamps, inks. The first box you get will have an acrylic block, so that really everything you need for $20 a month. So I'll put that information in a link up there as well. So thank you very much for watching. This is Christine Josty at Mail Something Pretty. Bye-bye.